welcome back to my channel. This is Li Ming. Today we'll be making a Christmas cake to celebrate the holiday. So first, we will make a red velvet chiffon cake and then complete the whole cake with all kinds of fruits or your favorite nuts. We will need 5 ingredients for the cake: the all-purpose flour, egg, sugar, oil, and milk. For the rest of the part, we need a whipped cream and lots of fruits or nuts. As usual, I will put all these ingredients and their measurements down below for you to follow along at home. Now let's get started to make the Christmas cake. First, in a large mixing bowl, we're gonna combine the milk and oil together. I already put the milk in the room temperature for more than 1 hour. But if you just take out the milk from the fridge, make sure to microwave heat it for about 10 or 15 seconds at least to make it to be the room temperature. In a large mixing bowl, place 3 tablespoons of milk and 3 tablespoons of oil. Use hand whisk to mix them together. Look at the texture. It's more like a gel or yogurt. So that is what we want. This mixture is ready. So next step, we're gonna add the beaten egg yolks into this mixture. So I put this aside and prepare 2 containers. One is for the egg yolk, the other one is for the egg whites. So next, we separate the egg yolk with egg whites. Hand whisk these egg yolks, and next we are gonna add these beaten egg yolks into the milk and oil mixture for 3 times. And each time we're gonna just add 1/3 of the amount. Okay, it's ready. Put the egg whites aside and bring back the mixture. Add 1/3 of the beaten egg yolk. Combine in the mixture. Add another 1/3. And continue to mix. Looks so smooth. And then add the rest of the beaten egg yolks. The egg yolks are fully incorporated. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Continue to whisk and combine them together. Now I see there is no dry flour, then our batter is ready. Now this egg yolk batter is ready. At this point, add the food coloring. So if you don't know how much food coloring we're going to need, just add a few drops in the beginning. We want to make this batter darker because after combining it with egg whites and also baking off, the color turns a little bit light. So I add more food coloring. Now this red batter is ready, and next we're gonna put this one aside and beat our egg whites. Beat egg whites on low speed first. Until there is no large bubbles, add sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. We added twice, so first time just half amount. Continue to beat on medium speed. We have some soft peaks, but you can see it's still, the egg whites can still move. Now add the rest of the sugar. Continue to beat on high speed. The egg whites is ready. The test is easy. It does not fall. Okay, next we're gonna fold the egg whites into this batter. Fold 1/2 of the egg whites into the batter and use spatula to mix them together. Until there is no egg whites, fold the rest of it into the batter. Look at the color, so beautiful. It's ready. we're gonna transfer it to this baking bowl. This is 6 inches diameter and 3 inches height. We want to drop the batter to this baking pan from 8 inches top. Before sending this batter to the oven, we need to do this for several times to get rid of the big bubbles. It's the same reason as we drop from the top. Okay, now it's ready. We're gonna to bake it off at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. 50. Wow, it looks so great. It also smells so delicious. And we need to put it on the rack upside down to cool it down completely for at least 1 or 2 hours. I already let this cake sit aside to cool down for more than 2 hours. Now we need to take it out from this baking pan. Use knife to cut the edges. It helps to separate the cake from the baking pan. Try harder to pat the bottom. Shake the baking pan really hard. Look at this cake. It's so beautiful. Next, we're gonna cut this cake into 3 big pieces. That will be the layers of our Christmas cake. Next, we're gonna make the whipped cream from this heavy cream and sugar. For this 1.5 cup of heavy cream, it weighs about 340 grams. This is 2.5 tablespoons of sugar with about 34 grams. So the weight ratio of the sugar and heavy cream is 1 to 10. Add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar in this 1.5 cup of the heavy cream. And use electric whisk to beat on high speed. When the heavy cream gets thick and the texture is more than the yogurt, then beat on the low speed. Okay, easy test. It won't drop, it won't fall. Then our whipped cream is ready. Next, we're gonna complete our Christmas cake with your favorite fruits and other like nuts or cookie crumbs. Now let's transfer the whipped cream to this piping bag. Let's make the first layer of the fruits and heavy cream. I just use spatula to spread some heavy cream. Now it's Christmas, so I'm gonna add some kiwi. In the middle, I will add some grapes, blueberries, and bananas. Let me spread out some cookie crumbs. Okay, add this cake layer. Now spread out the whipped cream on the second layer of the cake. Add some raspberries on Santa hat. And then these. Of blueberries. Last layer, the top layer. Spread some cookie crumbs. cake is ready. Is that delicious? I cannot wait to have a taste. My mouth is full of water. But for final step, I'm gonna sprinkle some of the confectioner sugar to make it more Christmas. Let it snow, snow, snow. This is a half tablespoon of the sugar powder. Let's do this. Let it snow, snow, snow. Happy holidays! I'm so happy. It turned out so good. Look at all these layers. Oh wow. The cake is moist and light and just melt in your mouth. I love it. This cake is my favorite cake, the chiffon cake. And with this red velvet color, it's Christmas. And with my favorite fruit. I hope you like this recipe and like my video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And please also comment down below. Please subscribe me for more. Happy holidays and see you real soon in my next video. Bye!